So if you just watched the video about creating tasks, you've probably already figured out how to use subtasks. But in case you haven't, or in case you've never created a task before and don't know what I'm talking about, here's a quick walkthrough of subtasks. So subtasks are like the little tasks. We have 3 levels in Teamwork. There's the task list, which you'll find in the left-hand bar over here. And those are the big phases of the project. They usually ladder up to some sort of a milestone or some sort of a transition point between phases. And then you've got all the different tasks in those. So let's click on one of these. Let's say it's the client approvals. Here we're just looking at one task list. And you can see there's tasks inside this. But over here on the right, there is a series of bars with an inset arrow. And that indicates that there are subtasks underneath this. Hover over it and it tells you to toggle subtasks. Click it and sure enough, it'll toggle subtasks. In this case, it's saying that there are 9 completed subtasks, but let's open them up so you can see what's been done. Here's all the different little pieces that need to get done in order to complete this major task. So you'll see there's adding photo credits, editor review, content director review, art director review, and people have left comments and people have checked these off depending on who was responsible. So toggling on and off consists of hitting this button. Usually when you're reviewing an entire task list, you'll want this thing to be toggled closed. But if you're trying to look at all the different pieces that need to be done and where we're at in the process, toggle it on. You can also look at all the comments that have been left on these subtasks. There's a whole video about comments to explain that. And you can see here that this subtask has a whole little life of its own. Subtasks are a great way to track the smaller stuff that's going on in a project, but if it's a major deliverable, you'll probably want to track it at the task level.